Hello and welcome to Story Stop with Reading Rena. Today I have a finger play for you called 5 Little Birds, and it goes like this. 5 little birds hopping by my door. One went to build a nest, and then there were 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little birds singing lovely. One got out of tune, and then there were 1, 2, 3. 3 little birds, and what should one do? She went to find her dinner, and then there were 1, 2. 2 little birds singing for fun. One flew away, and then there was 1. 1 little bird sitting in the sun. She fell asleep. And then there were none.